Urban Programmer here, back with another video. This is another Android tutorial, and in this Android tutorial I will be showing you how to create a clickable button using onSetClick Listener. Now first you want to make sure you have an activity.java file open. You want to have your XML file open that correlates to the same activity. Then we want to go over to the content XML file of that activity. Go over to widgets. First we'll add a text view. We'll call this text view Urban Programmer. We'll set the text view ID to text view 1. Next we'll add the button. So come over to button, drag the button underneath this text view. Set the button text to click me. And we'll set the button ID to button 1. Let's save that. Synchronize it. Okay, now let's go back to the Java file, and under your public class main activity, first we'll add a text view variable. We'll call it, first we want a text view, we'll call it title. Then we'll add the button variable. First button, you can let the IDE guide you. Button, we'll call my button, the name of the variable. Okay, make sure the widget.button library is imported and the text view library is imported. Otherwise it won't recognize these variables. Next we want to go inside the onCreate method. This method is called every time the application runs. And inside this method, first we'll set the text variable to equal the ID in the XML file. So we'll title text view, find view by ID. You can let the ID guide you through a lot of this. Inside here we'll put RID dot. You want to look for the text view ID, text 1, semicolon. We'll do the same thing for button. Button equals, or my button equals button find view by ID, r.id dot. Now we'll find the button ID, which is button 1. Now we'll create the button to set onClick Listener to handle the event in which the button is clicked. So we'll type my button dot set on click listener, do new view. Once you type in, after you type in new and view in the IDE, it should come up, and just click on click listener, and it should create the method to override the default method. Now inside the override method, we want to say when the button is clicked, we'll change the title. So we want to say title equals set text, change the text of the title to what up. Change that to what up. So after we click the button, the text title should change to what up. Now we'll save this. Synchronize it. Okay, we got a error. Can I resolve set text? Okay, so when you do set text, title dot set text, not title equals set text. So okay, now we'll run the application. I'll be using a device, a real device. You can use an emulator or a real device. It's better to have a real device to use, but it's also good to use emulators if you need certain screenshots that you don't have a real device for. Okay, so we have an error. Cannot resolve symbol button 1. Okay, let's see why. Okay, we got the ID button 1. Let's go back. Let's run it again. Okay, it's installing the APK. And okay, here we go. Okay, so you should see this. Here I have the text view, Urban Programmer, and when I click on the button, it should change to what up. And there it is. And that's how you create a that's how you create a clickable button using the set on-click listener. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Urban Programmer.